The central government of India, through the Ministry of Education, has exempted Meghalaya and Nagaland from the Common University Entrance Test or Cuet for the 2024-25 academic year. In response, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma thanked the ministry for addressing the state's request benefiting local students.
For Education, Government of India, Mr. Pradhanji, for accepting our request and my personal request to exempt the colleges affiliated to NEHU from the CUET exam. In the last many years also, the Government of India has exempted Meghalaya, and we're thankful that once again we requested, and on the basis of our request, the Government of India has exempted the state of Meghalaya and also the state of Nagaland. And this will go a long way in actually helping our students. And by next year, we are very, very hopeful that most of our colleges will be affiliated to our state university, and hence we would not require the exemptions from next year onwards. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank the Government of India for accepting our proposal and our request for exemption of the affiliated colleges from the CUET exam.
Meghalaya's exemption from Cuet was also confirmed by Hima M. Shangplyang, the advisor to the Education Department, and Rakam Sangma, the minister in charge of the department.
Honorable Chief Minister, take up the matter with the Ministry of the Government of India regarding CUET exam in the state. So we have received the communication that this year for 24-25 has been exempted again for this year. So it is like of the institutions, both CUET and non-CUET can be take admission in the colleges affiliated to NEHU.
On behalf of the NPP, as a spokesperson, I would like to sincerely thank the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Education Minister for helping in getting the exemptions for the CUET exams. I would like to inform all our student friends that the CUET exam have been exempted by the Government of India and by the UGC, and therefore it is a matter of delight and a matter of happiness, particularly for our student friends who are awaiting admissions in various colleges for their different courses. I would like to appeal to all the students who are awaiting admissions to immediately get themselves admitted and enrolled in the various colleges, since the CUET exams have been exempted for them, and for which we have seen in the last few weeks that there has been a lot of anxiety among the students for those who have not been able to sit for the CUET exams. And also for those who sat the CUET exams, there has been a lot of problem for them. That is why the Honorable Chief Minister has personally taken up this matter with the Union Minister of Education. And we are very, very delighted today that the Union Government has given the exemption to all the colleges in the state of Meghalaya where CUET exams have been exempted.